They couldn't prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, so the Idaho Attorney General's office has decided to not pursue criminal charges against Ada County Commissioner Ryan Davidson. But they believe he needs training on how this whole separation of powers thing works. Back in March, the group, the Idaho 97, filed 2 complaints against Commissioner Davidson. One was because Davidson asked an Ada County judge to grant special permission to anti-government activist Ammon Bundy and allow him into the courthouse without a mask. Bundy and another man were there as defendants in a criminal jury trial for trespassing. Masks were required by the state Supreme Court in all courts across the state, and Bundy and his group of about 30 people, you see them there, they refused to wear them, so they weren't allowed in. And Bundy and the other man were subsequently arrested for failure to appear. Those warrants issued upstairs while this conversation was taking place downstairs. Davidson also admitted he asked the judge to quash those warrants if he could convince the defendants to come in wearing a mask. The judge said no. A second complaint was filed by Idaho 97 because they say the next day Commissioner Davidson asked the judge for paperwork related to Bundy's case, which seems strange to them. But because those documents are public record and the AG's office couldn't, or the investigation I should say, couldn't prove Davidson threatened the judge or tried to influence the outcome, nor were his requests made in private, well then there was no law broken. The Attorney General's office did say, however, that while they could not find sufficient evidence of a crime, they do not condone Commissioner Davidson's conduct. This office is unaware of any rule that would allow a county commissioner to involve himself in a pending criminal case, regardless of motivations. We will suggest that Commissioner Davidson receive training on how and when he can properly communicate with the judiciary in order to avoid even the appearance of impropriety in court proceedings, they went on. Mike Satz, the executive director of the Idaho 97, who filed those 2 complaints, he believes Davidson's behavior at the courthouse back in March was unacceptable and inappropriate, which is why he filed those complaints. However, he is extremely pleased with the AG's office engagement in such a thorough investigation. He says accountability of our public officials starts with transparency, and this proves that. As for Commissioner Davidson, he agrees, saying it is gratifying to have been cleared of any wrongdoing. No word yet, though, on if and when that suggested training will begin.